Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In recent years, there has been a growing trend among longevity enthusiasts who swear by the benefits of incorporating olive oil into their daily routine. This ancient practice has gained popularity for its potential health benefits and is believed to contribute to a longer and healthier life. So, what is the buzz around drinking olive oil, and why are more people turning to this golden elixir for longevity and health? The trend of consuming olive oil for its health benefits has existed for a while. It dates back centuries to ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans, who revered olive oil for its medicinal properties. However, there has been a resurgence of interest in this practice in recent years, with more people looking to adopt Mediterranean-inspired diets for their health benefits. Longevity experts and health enthusiasts are now touting the benefits of incorporating olive oil into their daily routine as a critical component of their wellness regimen. So, what are the potential health benefits of drinking olive oil? Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all believed to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve overall well-being. Studies have shown that regular consumption of olive oil may help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, olive oil supports brain health, promotes healthy skin, and aids in weight management. With such a wide range of potential health benefits, it's no wonder that more people are turning to olive oil as a natural remedy for longevity and vitality. But what exactly is it about olive oil that makes it so popular among longevity enthusiasts? Is it the rich flavor, the versatility in cooking, or the centuries-old tradition of using olive oil for its health benefits? It could be a combination of all these factors that have contributed to the rising popularity of this practice. As more people seek natural and holistic approaches to health and wellness, the idea of incorporating olive oil into their daily routine as a simple yet powerful way to promote longevity and vitality has captured the imagination of many. So, if you're curious about the secrets behind the longevity of people who swear by olive oil, stay tuned to discover more about this ancient practice and its modern-day benefits. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 8 health benefits of drinking olive oil. When promoting overall well-being and longevity, incorporating olive oil into your daily routine, especially at night, can offer many health benefits. From supporting heart health to boosting brain function, olive oil is a powerhouse of nutrients that can help you thrive. Let's delve into the specific advantages of drinking olive oil and why knowing these benefits is crucial before making it a part of your diet. Advantages of drinking olive oil for overall well-being and longevity. 1. Heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which lower harmful cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Consuming olive oil regularly can help maintain healthy blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation linked to various chronic diseases. Drinking olive oil may reduce inflammation and improve overall well-being. 3. Brain function. Studies have shown that the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can support brain health and cognitive function. Regular consumption of olive oil may protect against age-related mental decline and enhance memory and focus. 4. Weight management. Despite being a fat-rich food, olive oil is believed to aid in weight management. The healthy fats in olive oil can help increase feelings of fullness and satiety, leading to better appetite control and potentially aiding in weight loss. 5. Skin health. Olive oil's antioxidants can help protect the skin from oxidative damage and promote a healthy complexion. Drinking olive oil may contribute to smoother, more radiant skin and help combat signs of aging. Importance of knowing these benefits before incorporating olive oil into your diet. Before adding olive oil to your daily routine, it's essential to understand its specific health benefits. By being aware of how olive oil can support your overall well-being, you can make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle choices. Additionally, knowing the advantages of drinking olive oil can motivate you to consistently incorporate this healthy habit into your routine for long-term benefits. Scientific evidence supporting health claims related to olive oil consumption. Numerous studies have highlighted the health benefits of olive oil consumption. For example, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil reduced the risk of cardiovascular events. Another study published in Neurology suggested that olive oil consumption may be associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline. These scientific findings support the claims that drinking olive oil can positively affect overall health and longevity. Irreversible body reaction to olive oil at night. While olive oil is renowned for its numerous health benefits, consuming it at night may lead to potential risks or reactions that could adversely affect your body. It's crucial to be aware of these consequences and take precautions to prevent irreversible reactions. Let's explore the possible risks of ingesting olive oil before bedtime and discuss the importance of moderation and proper timing when incorporating olive oil into your diet. Warning about the possible adverse effects of ingesting olive oil before bedtime. 1. Digestive discomfort. Consuming olive oil, especially at night, can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. The high fat content in olive oil may overwhelm your digestive system, causing discomfort and disrupting your sleep. 2. Weight gain. Olive oil is calorie-dense, and consuming it excessively, particularly close to bedtime, can contribute to weight gain. The body may not have enough time to metabolize the fats efficiently, leading to excess calories as body fat storage. 3. Acid reflux. For individuals prone to acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, consuming olive oil before bedtime can trigger symptoms such as heartburn, chest pain, and regurgitation. The rich oils in olive oil may exacerbate acid reflux issues, making it uncomfortable to sleep. Emphasizing the importance of moderation and proper timing. To avoid experiencing adverse reactions from consuming olive oil at night, it's essential to practice moderation and choose a suitable time for your intake. Here are some tips to help you incorporate olive oil into your diet safely. Limit your consumption of olive oil to recommended serving sizes to prevent overloading your system with fats. Avoid consuming large amounts of olive oil close to bedtime to allow your body enough time to digest and metabolize the fats effectively. Consider incorporating olive oil into your meals earlier to reap its health benefits without risking digestive discomfort or weight gain. Suggesting alternatives or precautions to prevent triggering irreversible body reactions. If you're concerned about the potential risks of consuming olive oil at night, there are alternatives and precautions you can take to prevent triggering irreversible body reactions. Opt for lighter oils such as avocado or coconut oil for nighttime consumption, as they are easier to digest. If you enjoy the flavor of olive oil, consider using it in moderation as a dressing for salads or drizzling over cooked dishes earlier in the day. Consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to determine the best timing and quantity of olive oil consumption based on your health needs and preferences. By being mindful of the risks associated with consuming olive oil at night and taking appropriate precautions, you can enjoy the health benefits of this nutritious oil without experiencing adverse reactions that could impact your well-being. Turning olive oil into medicine. Ultimate Health Guide. Olive oil has long been revered for its medicinal properties and health benefits, making it a versatile and natural remedy for various conditions. By unlocking the secrets and tips to maximize the medicinal properties of olive oil, you can harness its healing potential and enhance your overall well-being. Let's explore innovative ways to incorporate olive oil into your daily routine as a natural remedy, discuss the health conditions that can be improved by using olive oil as medicine, and provide step-by-step instructions on how to use olive oil effectively for medicinal purposes. Sharing innovative ways to incorporate olive oil into your daily routine as a natural remedy. 1. Salad dressing. One of the simplest and most delicious ways to incorporate olive oil into your diet is by using it as a base for homemade salad dressings. Combine olive oil with vinegar, lemon juice, herbs, and spices to create a flavorful and nutritious dressing that can elevate the taste of your salads. 2. Cooking medium. Replace butter or vegetable oils with olive oil when cooking or sautéing vegetables, meats, or grains. Olive oil adds a rich flavor to dishes and can enhance the nutritional value of your meals. 3. Skincare. Olive oil benefits internal health and external use. It can be used as a natural moisturizer for your skin, hair, and nails. Its hydrating properties can help nourish and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Discussing the various health conditions that can be improved by using olive oil as medicine. 1. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil have been shown to support heart health by reducing harmful cholesterol levels and lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regular consumption of olive oil may help improve heart function and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 2. Inflammation. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation. Incorporating olive oil into your diet may alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel diseases. 3. Digestive health. Olive oil promotes healthy digestion and gut health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe digestive issues and improve nutrient absorption, improving overall digestive function. Providing step-by-step instructions on how to use olive oil effectively for medicinal purposes. 1. Internal consumption. To maximize the medicinal benefits of olive oil, aim to consume high-quality extra virgin olive oil raw or lightly cooked to preserve its nutrients. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to your daily diet and gradually increase as needed. 2. Topical application. For skin and hair care, apply a small amount of olive oil directly to the skin or hair and massage gently. Allow the oil to absorb for a few minutes before rinsing off or leaving it on overnight for deep hydration. 3. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a traditional Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing oil in your mouth to improve oral health. Use a tablespoon of olive oil for oil pulling by swishing it around in your mouth for 15-20 minutes before spitting it out and rinsing it with water. By incorporating olive oil into your daily routine as a natural remedy and following these tips and guidelines, you can unlock the full potential of olive oil as a powerful medicine for enhancing your health and well-being. From its potential benefits to the risks associated with consumption, we've uncovered the secrets to maximizing olive oil's medicinal properties. As you consider incorporating olive oil into your daily routine, weigh the advantages and disadvantages to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. Benefits. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can support heart and brain function, skin health, and weight management. Regular consumption of olive oil may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. Risks. Consuming olive oil, especially in excess or close to bedtime, may lead to digestive discomfort, weight gain, and acid reflux. To avoid adverse reactions, practice moderation and proper timing when incorporating olive oil into your diet. As you explore the potential benefits of drinking olive oil for health, we encourage you to consult with healthcare providers or nutritionists to determine the best approach for your needs. By staying informed and mindful of your consumption, you can harness the power of olive oil as a natural remedy while minimizing potential risks. If you found this video informative and engaging, we invite you to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. By joining our community, you'll access valuable insights, tips, and resources to support your optimal health and well-being journey. Let's continue to explore the wonders of natural remedies like olive oil and empower ourselves to live healthier, happier lives. Thank you for watching. Remember to prioritize your health by making mindful choices that nourish your body and soul. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let's embark on this wellness journey together. Like, share, and subscribe for a healthier tomorrow.